Do your waves look frizzy, flat, or just not like the TikTok girls? Or maybe you wake up with gorgeous waves and by noon it's just a puffball? Today I'm showing you my complete wavy hair routine, step by step, to keep your waves soft, defined, and seriously silky smooth. Whether it's your natural hair or wavy extensions, this routine works. Step 1. Wash day essentials. Your routine starts in the shower, and yes, the wrong shampoo can ruin your waves before you even step out. Use a sulfate-free, moisturizing shampoo. Look for ingredients like aloe vera, argan oil, coconut milk, or rice water. Focus shampoo on your scalp, gently massaging with your fingertips, not your nails. Avoid scrubbing the mid-lengths and ends. Let the shampoo rinse through naturally. Follow with a hydrating conditioner. Apply mid-shaft to ends. Detangle with fingers or a wide-tooth comb. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing with cool water to seal the cuticle. Tip: deep condition once a week if your waves are dry, color-treated, or exposed to heat often. Step 2. Post-wash, moisture, and definition. Now, don't towel dry just yet. How you treat your hair after washing makes a huge difference. Dry with a microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt. Never rub. Gently squeeze out excess water to prevent frizz. Apply a leave-in conditioner. Helps lock in moisture and reduce tangling. Great for natural hair or human hair extensions. Add curl cream or wave-defining lotion. Emulsify in your palms, rake through damp hair, then scrunch upwards from the ends to the roots. Focus on sections that tend to fall flat. Optional, add a few drops of lightweight hair oil, argan, jojoba, or rosehip to seal in moisture and boost shine. Step 3. Drying without the damage. You've prepped the waves, now let's lock in the pattern. Option 1. Air dry. Ideal for low maintenance days. Avoid touching your hair while it's drying to reduce frizz. Option 2. Use a diffuser attachment to your blow dryer. Flip your head upside down for more volume. Set to low or medium heat, never high. Cup the waves in the diffuser and lift gently. Scrunch as you dry to enhance wave formation. Tip: use a heat protectant, even with the diffuser, to protect the cuticle and your extensions if you're using any. Bonus: what if you're using wavy hair extensions? This exact routine works for wavy clip-ins, tape-ins, or even wigs, but you'll need a few adjustments. Don't apply leave-in products near the bonds or root. Detangle gently from tips to roots. Avoid heavy oils on synthetic wavy hair. Style the extensions and your natural hair together to blend the wave pattern. Wavy hair is effortlessly gorgeous when you care for it the right way. Try this routine for a week and I promise your waves will thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more hair routines, and let me know your favorite wavy hair tip in the comments. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest at Your Hair Handle. Business inquiries? Forward your hair brand at email.com.